Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's Got This. Today we'll share some do-it-yourself home and auto tips. Let's dive in. In this video here we're going to change the rear axle bearing on a 2016 Kia Forte 5. Hope this helps a little bit. I'm going to record it and I hope you like it. If so, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is take off this bolt up here. It's a 12, and the lower one, it's hard to see from here. I'm not going to make you go dizzy, but on this one here, down here, you need to put an extension on it to get to that one. So just get your socket on the nut. And if it's tight, grab yourself up and knock it till it's loose. And there you go. Here's that one. I gotta get that lower one. Picture of it. You got to use that extension, get past that line. Same tactic you can use. I'm just going to use my hammer. It's easier that way. Shit, I don't know. A little harder because it's got an extension on it. Oh yeah, that's on there. Shit. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna go with, can't go with the lower one. Okay. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing done. I'm using a shorter thing, which makes the bouncing a lot less. I'm gonna go get a cheater bar. Screw this. All good mechanics have cheater bars. And you just get into your work. Make sure you're going the right way. That's always hopeful. Oh, look at that. Much easier with a cheater bar. I could have used the impact, but I'd have to move my jack and everything, so I'm not doing that. All right, here we go. Take this bolt out. That takes the caliper off. Sometimes it's just a big pain in the Jenga. This screw I'm gonna put right here behind there. Now, take the top one off. If you guys can see that, probably not. You could do a brake job right now too as well, but we're not doing that right now. The brakes are about 60%. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna get her back on the road. This is your I'll show you guys a bit later. This thing is so wobbly. This comes right on out. Maybe. Maybe. There she goes. Yeah, you can see the brake pads are pretty good still. You can see right there. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Yeah, you can see that. All right, I'm going to get my bungee strap somewhere. For that. Keep this up, out of the way. Like that. And she's out of the way. Okay. Wow.